Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to lock your Facebook profile on your Android device. So for this guys, just you need to open your Facebook app on your device. After opening, on the top right side corner you can see three lines. Just tap on it. From here you need to tap on your profile name like this. Now you can easily open your profile as you can see. So if you lock your Facebook profile guys, except your friends, anybody cannot see your Facebook profile timeline content. Here you need to tap on three dots like this, and here you can get the option lock profile. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option lock your profile. Just once again you need to tap on that option. Now click on OK. That's it. Now your Facebook profile was fully protected for other person except your friends. So this is the very useful feature in your Facebook app. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.